Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, let's talk about how to record cash transactions in Wave. If you occasionally pay with cash, such as for supplies at a local store, here's how to record that in Wave. Step 1. Go to Transactions. Click on the transaction from the sidebar of the Wave dashboard. Step 2. Click Add Expense. In the top right corner, you want to click the Add Expense button to begin recording your cash purchase. Step 3. Enter transaction details. Now fill in the following: the date, amount, description, category, payment account. Step 4. Attach receipt. If you have a paper receipt, you can just click Attach Receipt and upload the image or PDF file. Step 5. Save. Click Save and the expense will now be recorded in your accounting books. That's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. I will see you in the next one.